Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. We're out here riding in the rain, and this guy fell in a rut. Honestly, it's hard to ride in the rain, I'm not gonna lie, but let's see. He's gonna go back up and then try to make it again, but here we go. Let's do it, baby. This hill is actually pretty steep, guys. Woo! Ain't no way. Let's get it. Oh! No way.
I think I'm gonna split the fucking needle, right? Or what do you call it? Split the line.
Let's do it.
That's how you pass a DUI.
That's actually pretty gnarly, bro.
That's how you pass a DUI test right here, boys. Just split the line.
Oh, Woo!
You got it, big dog? Handled.
Yes, sir. Let's do it, baby. Where you at, bro? This is crazy.
Oh, there's a coyote. No, I'm just kidding.
That was my bit. Random trail, guys. Oh shit! Man down, man down, guys. That damn rut got me good.
Look at your peg, bro.
Golly. Shoo!
Damn.
It's all good. I'm ready to rip.
You don't have a bolt for your fender anymore.
Damn. Let's get it.
First or after me?
I go after you, Bubba. Let's get it. I'm actually scared I'm gonna eat shit again. Oh, not solid. Not solid. Guys, it's starting to rain really bad. We're calling it right here. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.